In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a neon vibe transition in Davinci Resolve 18 and beyond that. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is boot up your Davinci Resolve and go up to Effects, Video Transition, and just take any dissolve transition and plop it into your timeline like so. Then from here, you need to right click on the transition and convert it to a Fusion cross. Then from here, you need to open it with the Fusion page like so. Then from here, it's going to be looking something like this. And you can just delete the cross dissolve, because what you need to do instead is Ctrl plus and click in the dissolve DX instead and click add like so. Then you need to go up to operation and click in gradient wipe instead and select the border. Then from here you can also change the color if you want to do that, but I'm not going to do that in this video. Now you need to connect the media 2 with the dissolve 1 like so. Now you need to go up to background and foreground, right click on it and click modify with and amin curves like so. And you can go up to the modifier here and click on curve, change that from linear to easing and in and out from sine or none to sine like so. Now you need to go down to dissolve again, right click on the timeline and select a new one called brightness and contrast like so and click add. Then from here you need to go over to the inspector tab and put down saturation all the way down to 0. Now you need to connect brightness contrast with dissolve 1 like so. And then you can click on the dissolve 1, control space and click on glow and add that to your timeline like so. Then you need to click on a glow and put down the shine threshold a bit down, and the same you do with spread. Then from here you need to right click on gain and click modify with and amin curves like so. And then you need to go up to modifiers and from curve linear you need to click that to easing, and in and out you need to change that to sine. And you can also click mirror effect if you want to do that. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!